back to Tugs Rugs. This is Travis here. Today we are about to talk about backing. I have backing for sale, people. Hey, I have a two-sided backing that you can use now. So you can either use the felt side or you can use the non-slip side, man. Let me show you what I got. All right, so this is what I have right here. Like I said, we have a non-slip side. And if you like to use felt, or somebody say, hey, I want felt, I don't want the non-slip, you can turn that thing over and you can use the felt side. So it's like a 2-in-1, you know, you can't beat that, you know, but most people might want the non-slip side just because it's like more fancier, or if they want to put it on tile, they can put it on tile and they can actually put it on carpet as well. So what I'm about to get ready to do, I'm about to open this thing up so we can see how big it is. I have some finished rugs that I have, and I'm gonna place them on there so we can see how many rugs we can get out of this. So you know, see if this is worth it or not. Of course, it's gonna depend on the size of your rugs, the shape. So if you're doing more smaller rugs, you probably get more backing out of it. The link will be in the description for the price, because the price will fluctuate because I will be having flash sales for my supporters. Go ahead and go follow me on I have a tufting group on Facebook. It'll be Tugs Rugs Tufting World. So Tugs Rugs Tufting World. So I have a tufting group going on there. You know, I got a lot of different people on there from around the world. So if you want to, share your rugs, your artwork, if you have any questions, you can go on there and help each other out. Also, on my YouTube channel, if you want to become a member, so if you want to pay like a membership, those who are paying the membership, man, you'll be getting some crazy deals. Because I will be doing some giveaways on like material, so like backing, a tufting gun, electric scissors, things like that. So I'm gonna start doing that, but I'm going to start doing that with those people that are members that bought those memberships on my YouTube channel. So let's get this thing pulled out, and then we're gonna see how many rugs we can get on here. All right, look how big this thing is. Let me zoom you out. Look how big that thing is. That's pretty big, man. It's pretty big. So let's start putting some rugs on here. So I have some rugs and this have the backing on it. So that's what the backing look like. I put the backing on there, on that one there. So I'm gonna place that there in the corner. Let's see if we can fit all these on there. So let's see what size this one is. So this one right here is probably like a, let me grab my ruler. Oh, here we go. Grab my ruler real quick. So this one right here measures, it's pretty much a 36. So we're looking at 36 inches. So we're looking at a 3-foot rug here. So we already got a 3-foot rug there. And then we have some more over here. So this one right here would be a 4-foot rug. This one would be a 4-foot rug here. So, you kind of got to like puzzle it around if you have a lot of different types of rugs. So look, we still got all that room left on there. And we also have another one here. So if you have like 3-foot rugs, like I said, depending on the size or the shape that you have, you could probably get a decent amount of rugs on here. So boom, we got those two there. So if I hit another one of these, let's see if this will fit on this side. And it will. So that'll be 3-foot rugs here. And then you still have all that space over there. Like I said, this is a 4-foot rug here. All right, so let me grab my other 4-foot rug over here. And this is more like a circular rug. So we're gonna move this big this big love one out the way. So like I said, it depends on the shape of your rugs. Let's see if you'll be able to fit that thing in there. So this one right here is pretty big, which this right here you already should be charging for something like this, at least $350 to $400 for this big rug here with all those details in it. So, you know, that'll already pay for some of your backing. So let's move this down some. So that'll still fit in there. See, that still fits there. You still got this one here that probably need to go over here, just because, like I said, you have to move this stuff around. So that'll fit there. And then if I had another one this size, you'll better fit it there. So we already looking at 4 rugs there. And then if you had another one this size here, you could place it there. So like I said, if you have, so it depends on the size. So if you have a bunch of smaller rugs, so this right here will get you a decent amount of rugs out of this one backing. So it'll be way worth it. So I'm not sure what backing that you're using now, but I know a lot of people been hitting me up about the backing. Where can I get some non-slip backing? Because, you know, it give you a little value, more value to your rug versus just felt on the back. So yeah, so like I said, the link is going to be in the description of this video. I'm gonna see if I can put this this other love one right here to see if it'll fit. And that'll be, if it'll fit, that'll be 2 4-foot rugs and 2 basically, well, let me measure this bark. Yeah, so bark is pretty much 3 foot as well. It's just a little bit over 3 feet, not that much. See, I like 3 foot and some change. So so we're gonna put this love one on here. So we got, let's see. So the love will be a little bit too long. So like I said, we won't be able to get that on there. But yeah, so yeah, the love is just a little bit too long. But yeah, so that's the backing, and that's what we got going on now. I want to figure this out so I can start helping others get good backing. I've been looking for some good backing for a while that that wasn't just local, that I can actually help those order and get that to you, you know. So hey, I just want to make a short video real quick. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you you purchase some backing. It's, you know, all the money is going to go towards the channel, you know, to help grab some items for giveaways and things like that. So we can start doing some giveaways, man. I want to give away some Tufting guns. I want to give away some scissors, new stuff that I review. I want to start giving away that stuff, but I can't do it with, you know, with the money in my pocket that I go to work for. So I want to be able to, you know, start, you know, supporting everybody else, man. So, you know, but yeah, hey, if you have any ideas on collaborations, I'm so down with collaborating. We can either do it virtually, or we can do it in person. I'm closer to Kansas, so if you're in the Kansas City, Missouri area, or even like Des Moines, Iowa, something like that, in those areas, man, hit me up, man, because that's not that far of a drive. And I want to start getting some collaboration videos going. I want to start a Tugs Rugs series, you know. It's almost like, you know, how the other channels be having, not like Tufting channel, I might be the only one that's going to have that, but like other YouTube channels that you can watch, and it's almost like a show, you know. You can go to series 1, 2, 3, 4 and all that. But I want to be able to start getting other tufters on this channel. So yeah, so we can start helping each other. I want those tufters, if they have any ideas, you know, they can actually start teaching that as well. Like, you know, if you know how to build, you know, adjustable frames. So I have somebody that's supposed to be helping with adjustable frames. I got somebody that's supposed to be helping with adjusting your gun. So I'm just waiting on those people to get back to me so we can start doing some virtual stuff. So we can start getting this channel popping, man. Start getting everybody, you know, some great content. So hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click that bell. And don't forget, man, hey, if you become a member, you know, just go ahead and become a member. I think the lowest is like $2.99 a month or something like that. But yeah, go ahead and do that. That will definitely help the channel out. You'll be entered into some drawings and things like that to win tufting guns and, you know, some of this good stuff, you know, because you make your own rugs. So I don't need to be giving away my rugs. So I want to start giving away supplies that you can actually use, you know, to help your tufting business grow. So, hey, don't forget to click that bell, man. See y'all on the next rug. Peace.